previously on.
Because I really didn't remember. So I like to see my whole outfit. Okay. I'm about to get my ears pierced. The lighting's really bad. I actually didn't really. And you sit down here?
Yeah.
I'm not under 18.
But you saw to
Just these two. It says it's under 18.
yeah, so then this one is to know that you understand the procedures and then the opportunity.
It's under 18.
You still have to take the fuck up and sign
Or you
it.
still have to
authorize.
It's kind of messed up. Yeah, but it's upside down. You're yeah.
Can we do this or no?
No, you don't want to.
You should grow some vagina balls and get this done and over with. Why the fuck would you do that?
Laughing and shit. Like.
You're a big girl.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm your big girlfriend. I promise I won't.
And then about where do you want it? So I can run.
No! I'm
Don't be
not
so
ready.
nervous.
Okay.
I'm going right after you.
Oh my god. That's like a cow.
It really
There's no cows.
It's really not. Do you want to count down?
Okay.
Or you want me to do it?
Yeah, cow.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, this is my
Baby, I really need you to come
I
back.
don't. I don't like needles. I don't like needles. I am emotional. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's talk. Yeah. Ah! No! I'm gonna cry! I'm 20. Okay.
And I'm recording it, so everyone's looking at us. Be a G
Okay.
and don't be a P.
Okay.
Which is, you know, the P.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Just look straight forward for me.
It's okay.
Okay.
Straight forward.
Ah!
You can't react like that. Or you're not gonna get it
I'm
done.
fucking terrified.
Literally, it's gonna be done in 2 seconds. Just
okay.
sit there and anticipate.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can really do it.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm so fucking scared.
Let's just go for it. You already there.
Oh, like when you
You
get
want me to go?
If she does that.
You never know.
Okay.
Dab on them.
Just look straight forward.
Okay.
Just breathe in deep.
You can do it, sister. Stop.
Just hold in your ear.
You can do it,
You
sister.
ready?
You can do it.
You ready?
You can do it. Yes. You can do it. Breathe in.
Ready?
Breathe out.
Really quick and easy. Just 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Breathe
Okay.
in.
Ready?
Okay.
You can do it. Ready?
Go for it.
No, I'm like
Listen.
really scared.
Go for it. You could have been done with it already.
Yeah.
Let me get mine done and
It's
over
really
with.
quick.
Okay.
You got it.
It's
I'm
okay.
really sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. Well, how much?
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Got this.
Oh my god. Every
fuck
time she
up.
gets. It's.
It's okay, baby. I'm gonna go right next. I'm going next. So, like,
I'm
just get it
getting
over
scared.
with. Get it over with. Get it over with.
Okay.
After this, we're gonna go and just chill.
Okay.
Please don't do
I'm
that.
sorry. I promise.
It's not moving right now.
Okay. It's just when you get close, like
Just get it
it's
over
like you're
with.
falling down a roller coaster, like that
Type of
feeling. Okay.
Overcome it, conquer it. You can do it. I mean, those are just your fears.
Okay.
Face them.
Okay. You're right.
You can do it.
Okay.
Next year you have your year's pierced. Do you remember?
Yes. Where's Star?
You move my hair?
Yeah. Please.
Okay. Okay.
Alright. Now turn down. Go for 3, 2, 1.
Sliding off and shit. I literally, it's slippery for me.
I'm scared.
Sweating.
Fuck now.
And like, oh
So you're
shit.
gonna clean it 2 to 3 times a day. Over
Okay.
the front, over the back, and then twist it. For 6 to 8 weeks, after 6 to 8 weeks, you can change it. Just make sure you keep something in there because the cartilage does close easier than just regular holes. Okay?
Okay.
And then if you do the procedure, it's on the back as well, and then you'll get this pink copy when I give you work.
Okay.
You fucking did that shit because now I'm scared and I have to
It
pee.
don't feel like shit.
You think I could do that?
Hell yeah.
You know we're rough with all these words and.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Well, I
oh
done
my
said it a
gosh,
couple
I've
times.
just lost my mind up there. And I think
You totally deserve to go to the Mac.
I just
after this.
lost my damn mind. Like,
You're not the only person.
okay, let me see. I feel like I want another one.
You want to see it?
Love it.
Yeah, this is so cool. Thank you, Miranda. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get your shoes and everything. I know how to hold the camera. Don't even worry about it. You wanted two behind. You wanted to make it That was horrible. And it really, like, yeah.
Like I told her, 2 to 3 times a day for 6 to 8 weeks. After 6 to 8 weeks, you can take it out, change it.
I have a question. How do you clean it?
Over the front, over the back, and then twist it. Yeah.
You don't take it out though.
No.
Okay.
Because it'll close.
So when I'm in the shower, do I just like let the water,
I think it'd be
or
regular.
it has to be with some
Just
stuff?
with this.
Okay.
In life, can I see it? I'm sorry. I actually enjoy that.
I think that's really cute.
Fucking tight. I'm sorry. I love that.
Pretty.
I'm a creep because it makes me feel good. I'm gonna have
They're cute. Probably these are cute.
and because I have big ears, it's like one of my kind of features. So like,
Right. You just own it.
Alright. We're like super cool.
I'm just gonna clean up real here, and then I'm gonna help you open the front. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.